If you're looking for the best free VPN services out there, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into my top 5 picks for the best free VPN services that offer secure and unrestricted access to the web. You're watching Tech with Mobin, and we're about to dive into these game-changing VPNs. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have Solar VPN, based in Switzerland. A country renowned for its strong privacy laws. With Solar VPN's free plan, you can enjoy secure browsing without spending a penny. It provides solid encryption and privacy features that protect your personal information, making it perfect for everyday use. Solar VPN truly shines when it comes to streaming, offering unlimited bandwidth so you can watch your favorite shows on Netflix, Hulu, and BBC without buffering issues. One of the best parts about Solar VPN is that it works smoothly on a wide range of devices. Whether you're on Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, Apple TV, or Android TV, Solar VPN has got you covered. If you're searching for a reliable free VPN that covers all the basics with unlimited bandwidth and strong encryption, Solar VPN is a great choice. Next up at number 4, we have Privado VPN, which is also based in Switzerland. This VPN is ideal for users looking for a secure and reliable free VPN with just enough data for occasional use. With Privado VPN, you get 10 GB of free data each month, which is perfect for light streaming and browsing. This amount of data should cover most needs if you're not constantly streaming or downloading large files. Privado VPN has a strict no logs policy, meaning it doesn't track or store any of your personal information. It's available on mobile devices and PCs, making it accessible whether you're on the go or at home. The VPN also offers access to several server locations, providing reliable speeds to help you get the most out of your connection. If you're someone who doesn't need unlimited data but wants solid privacy protection, Privado VPN is a fantastic free option. Ranking third, Windscribe brings a refreshing twist to the VPN world with unique ways to expand your data allowance. Based in Canada, Windscribe offers a free plan with a generous 10 GB of data, which can be increased through simple activities. By following their page on X, users can earn additional data. Plus, signing up for their newsletter unlocks a 50 GB of data coupon that renews monthly for 6 to 12 months, giving you ample browsing time at no cost. Windscribe offers advanced features like 6 protocols and network or per app split routing, allowing for customized connectivity. MAC address spoofing and custom configuration support add layers of security and personalization. Windscribe also supports custom DNS settings and playful custom schemes, offering both functionality and a bit of fun. With all these features, Windscribe provides a secure, customizable, and a data-rich VPN experience that stands out in a crowded market. Now, let's dive into number 2 on our list, 7VPN. Headquartered in Lithuania, this VPN offers a comprehensive solution for online privacy, especially appealing because of its unlimited data on the free plan. While the free version comes with ads, it allows for unrestricted browsing and provides a solid level of protection at no cost. 7VPN is available on a wide range of devices, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, and it even supports up to 10 simultaneous connections. This makes it an ideal option for families or anyone looking to protect multiple devices under a single account. What sets 7VPN apart is its V2Ray technology, a powerful tool that enhances both security and speed. V2Ray encrypts your data, keeping it safe from prying eyes, including your internet service provider. It also bypasses any throttling imposed by your ISP, so you can enjoy faster speeds than you might expect. This technology is especially effective for users in countries with heavy internet censorship, as it helps bypass strict state restrictions and firewalls. If you're looking for a VPN that offers unlimited data and advanced features, 7VPN is definitely worth considering. It's a fantastic choice for anyone who values privacy and unrestricted access to the internet without the worry of running out of data. Before we get to our top pick, here's a quick bonus recommendation: v2nodes.com. This platform offers free access to servers with V2Ray protocol. V2Nodes is perfect if you're okay with switching servers regularly. as their free servers last for about 2 days. It's an awesome choice for exploring the web without limits, but be prepared to make frequent server changes. Finally, topping our list is ProtonVPN, based in Switzerland. ProtonVPN's free plan stands out by offering unlimited data, ideal for anyone needing continuous, secure access at no cost. Unlike many VPNs that heavily restrict free users, ProtonVPN delivers robust security and privacy, making it a dependable choice. ProtonVPN enhances security with its Secure Core feature, which routes your traffic through privacy-friendly countries like Switzerland and Iceland. This added layer ensures your IP stays hidden even if a server is compromised. Available on Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS, ProtonVPN offers a clean ad-free experience with its NetShield feature, which blocks ads, malware, and trackers. ProtonVPN supports Tor over VPN, giving you access to the Tor network with just a click. ProtonVPN is a no-log service, so none of your online activities are tracked or stored. You can connect up to 10 devices simultaneously, and with high-speed servers capable of 10 GB per second, you'll enjoy smooth browsing and streaming. If you're looking for a free VPN with unlimited data and a strong commitment to privacy, ProtonVPN is a top choice. Its combination of robust security, unlimited bandwidth, and privacy-focused features makes it a standout option for worry-free online experiences. Thanks for watching. Which VPN are you going to try out? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy browsing.